months have been very trying during the pandemic. There were no theaters, the were disturbed, and films were not being shot. But I must say, and from my personal experience as well as I'm sure it would be reflected that during this period of shutdown, we found a lot of time, and I think we consumed much more content than we would have done in a normal year. And now we are hooked to this content, at least I am. So, and during this past 1.5 years, I think quality has greatly improved. People have realized that quality is king, and it is quality which will sell. And with this, I find out now, I have just joined, fusion of content being created in the country. Opportunities are now available across the board, and a lot of people who would not have found opportunity earlier are finding opportunity in this new scenario. A lot of people, including Mr. Madhavan, I think they would have because the appetite is very strong, and this is leading to a whole lot of job opportunities, right from actors to production to cinematographers. And now with the theaters being open, we again see a rush back to the theaters, as we are seeing now to the holiday destinations. Hotels are again full, airlines are again full. So this industry also is now going to see very good days in future. As regards the government, we would like to have a light touch regulation and act more as facilitators. Although in my interactions with you, many of you feel that the government is a very highly regulatory, but I would think that despite that, the industry is showing huge growth over the past 10-20 years from the projections which the industry itself gives, and we are set to reach almost $100 billion soon, which is a huge this is the kind of growth which we are seeing in the industry. We in the government would like to act as facilitators, and I myself have personally held almost 3 to 4 meetings in this period with CII in Mumbai and otherwise, and we are always open. And I'm sure that this CII Big Picture Summit itself will throw up a lot of ideas over the deliberations over the next few days, which will further feed us for what we need to do. In the very, very short term, maybe the next 3 to 6 months, from what something was ready when I joined the ministry, but I was not very convinced that it would serve the purpose. So we are reworking on that, and we would like to launch it in the next 3 months or so. Then the AVDC National Center of Excellence, which we have again been talking about for a very, very long time. There again, I am in touch with some of you, and we would like to again have a look at that and bring it in a new perspective. Then the Film Facilitation Office. When I last came to Mumbai, again, I was surprised to see that a lot of people are saying that there is a lot of interest in creating new theatres, which I felt now is a sort of a area where not much of interest is there. But since there is a lot of interest in creating theatres, now we will add that also to our Film Facilitation Office, and we are in touch with Invest India, so that the permissions with the states, they can be put on the DPIIT portal, which is the universal portal for permissions across Government of India and the states. So we are in touch with them also. We will engage Invest India to look at the theatre permissions and other permissions. AVDC, of course, is Mr. Biren Ghosh also mentioned that India has a huge opportunity, and AVDC is something which we would really like to support. AVDC NCU is one part of that, but that is not the end. And in the budget or whatever needs to be done, we are there to do it, because AVDC is a huge, huge opportunity. At a very, very preliminary level, it was said that we should start participating in AVDC in association with CII. Henceforth, in the next year, we participate in whatever are the major AVDC events as Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. I would like to then say that now since all the industry is here, that this year we are celebrating the 75th year of independence, and I would request the entire industry to participate in this event. The government is, of course, promoting this event, but nothing will happen, nothing can happen without your support, and I will request you to create programming or to celebrate our achievements in this year of independence. Now we are coming into that last 1 year of that. Use the logo which we have issued an advisory. Use it in your channels so that we can. I mean, surge can be created around the 75th year of independence, and also we would seek your support and perhaps more discussions on how to project India abroad. I'm already in touch with some of you, but then we would also like to make more of an impact abroad, because today our media is more focused towards towards the country, within the country, but how to take it abroad, that is another area which we would like to discuss more with you and work on that. In the end, I would like to invite all of you to the IFFI at Goa, which is going to be inaugurated now 3 days down the line, and there again the focus is on 75th year of independence, and this time with the new minister also there, you will find that there are some changes in IFFI. We have tried to bring in a new format, and we look forward to your support. And in the end, I would like to say that I look forward to the deliberations in this big picture summit, so that can give us some more food for thought in our policy making. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chandra.